welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a few things that I picked up at Amazon. I have several pieces of clothing here and some other things that I purchased. They're pretty cool finds. First thing I want to show you is a set of earrings that I purchased. There's 4 that come in a pack. As you can see, these are nice little tan type earrings. Here's a lighter one, and then an oval shape, as well as the ones that I'm wearing right now. This little bit of fabric fringes at the bottom. They're a cute statement piece for any outfit that you wear. So I definitely love these because you can wear them with anything. They go well with either casual or dress up. And what I purchased to put them in is these little stackables cases. These cases were $12.99. I believe they come in 3 different colors. I love it because it already has the lid. They're sleek, they're plastic, they are stackable. Did I say that already? And you can fit them anywhere. You can put them on your vanity, you can put them underneath your sink in the bathroom, you can put them on top, anywhere you like. And as I said, they're sleek, they're stackable, and they look really chic. Okay, so the next thing I bought are a bunch of hair clips from Amazon. I normally don't wear hair clips, but I thought that these were really cute, which are really pretty. So I picked up quite a few. There was one that came in a pack of 12, and then there was another one that came, I believe, in a pack of 6 or 8. But I just want to go over a few of them that I have. They're really pretty. So you can see, there's these ones. Of course, there's some with little pearls. There's a bunch of different types of ones, so I believe if you like clips, you can style them however which way you like. Aren't they just adorable? So as you can see, some of them come in a variety as well. And I did want to go over a few of these outfits that I purchased. Some of them are top, some of them are top and bottom. They're very budget friendly. You can wear them to work, you can wear them to a business meeting, however you like. This is the first shirt that I bought. It's really pretty, it's soft, it's a kind of like a see-through material. So I'll try that on for you so that you can see what it looks like. So here's the first shirt. As you can see, it's a little bit see-through, but if you don't mind it, it's fine. If you do, you can just put a nice little cami under it. And it's really pretty, it fits well. Excuse the mess in the back. And you can always tuck it in whatever pants you're wearing and it'll look good. It's really pretty. It's not uncomfortable around the neck. I think it fits well. Another top I picked up is this white and black one. It is a button down. It has these nice little stripes here on the side of the sleeve and it rolls up at the bottom. Very pretty, very soft, smooth, and it's breathable material as well. So let's see what this one looks like. Here's the other shirt, the black and white. This is what it looks like on the sleeve. This is how it is when it's closed. See-through again as well. So if you don't like that part, you can always put something at the bottom. If not, be careful because if you are a little busty, you will be able to see right through. So you might want to get just a size that's a little bit bigger than what you normally are. But yeah, this is cute. It's comfortable, very breathable, could be left out as well as tucked in if you like to whatever you do. As I said before, very business-like. Can be dressed up, can be dressed down. You can also leave it unbuttoned with a nice little tank top under if you like that flow as well. You can wear it with jeans or slacks. Yeah, so this one is pretty and comfortable. Another shirt I got is this navy blue with and a nice little ribbon to tie. Very breathable, so it's good any type. It is a little bit see-through, so you can wear a nice bra under it, or you can wear a nice tank top, however you feel. So let's see what this one looks like as well. It's the blue one. I really like this one. It's simple, it's very comfortable, very loose fitting. I love the little ribbon tie here, gives it somewhat of a chic little look. So I really do like this one as well. And it's really cute, you know. You can wear it with a high-waist skirt, a high-waisted pants. Really pretty. I like it. I think this one's a keeper. I went ahead and picked up this shirt. This is kind of like a turtleneck shirt, has fringes at the top. Very silky, very soft and pretty. So as I said, they're great to wear anywhere. You can dress them up, you can dress them down with a good pair of jeans. You can wear them to work, business, meeting, out to dinner with someone or your friends, family, anywhere. So let's see what this one looks like. Here is this one. It's nice, it's smooth, nice and silky. I was kind of worried about getting the turtleneck ones for the simple reason that I figured that it might bother me around the neck. Right now it seems a little too much because of my earrings, so without the earrings it would look a little bit less, so much stuff going on. But I like it, it's nice, and it fits okay. It's pretty, it's different. If you like a lot of things going on in your shirt, you have a lot of options you can match it with, so it's cute. I picked up these pants here, really pretty. I love the color. It's not gray, but it's kind of like a gray, so it ties at the waist. It is stretchable. You have pockets, long, and I'll try these on for you to see what they look like as well. This is a faux pocket. It doesn't open or anything. Okay, so here are these pants. As you can see, they're kind of fitted at the top and a little bit loose at the bottom. Here's what it looks like around the waist. It is somewhat high-waisted, so it has the elastic here. Here's the little belt that you can tie, and I like it because it has pockets. So it's really pretty. It's comfortable. The elastic is not tight. The material is soft and breathable. It is a beautiful color. So these pants, I definitely give these pants a 10 out of 10. So yeah, really nice. And then I also have the same similar one, but I got it in black. Here it is in black, stretchy at the tie. Here are the black ones, the exact same one, but in black. And the weird thing is they're the exact same size, but this one is really big. See how it's really loose around? Here is not as fitted as the gray ones. I mean, but they are comfortable, they fit great, they don't squeeze around the waist, but I don't like that it is really baggy around the front area. I like to have my pants just a little bit fitted. They are comfortable, so I would give these for the simple reason that they are the same size, but they're not fitting quite the same. I would say an 8 out of 10 because I can wear them anywhere. I got this nice shirt here as well. Very pretty, very soft. It's very flowy, and I love the material. I love the designs on it. Nice, and has a little bit of flowers. You can wear it for the springtime, summertime. You can wear it anytime basically, but it is really soft and it seems like it'll be really comfortable, so I want to try it on and see what it looks like. Here's the other floral shirt. I really like it. It feels like I'm not even wearing anything. It's comfortable. I love the pattern on it. It's really pretty. It's not overpowering. It's a nice little dressy shirts like this. This is perfect. It wasn't too expensive. You could tie it in a bow. You can just have it a little bit loose like I do. However you feel better. This with a pair of jeans will look really cute. I like this one. I think it's really pretty. So I picked up a pair of mustard colored pants. I really liked the color as well as how it looked on the model online. So hopefully it looks the same way on me, but it's really wide. It's wide leg, really flowy, really comfortable, so you can dress it up and dress it down. Alright guys, so here are the mustard color one. Like I said, they looked great on the model in the picture. They're very flowy, very whimsical. They are high-waisted, so if you do like high-waisted, they will go great for you. So yeah, it has a little bit of pleating up in the front, and of course my favorite, pants with they have pockets, so it looks good. You can once again dress it up, dress it down. However, if you like the flowiness, and you know, especially around the summertime, if you want to take a walk in the park or anywhere, it is breathable, it's light, it's not heavy at all, so you know, it wouldn't feel like you're wearing too much or you sweat a lot. So I would say this one doesn't look like I assumed it would look, as it did on the girl on the ad, but I would give this maybe a 6 out of 10, just mostly because of the color. Next one is these black and white squared pants. It has where you can tie it as well. Kind of slim at the bottom, so it seems to be somewhat fitted on the bottom leg. Very comfortable, seems to be very breathable material. It's soft in the inside. It has like a little rough, it feels a little rough on the outside. I want to say just had some character to it, but in the inside it's totally smooth, so you won't feel that rubbing up against your skin, which it doesn't feel bad, it doesn't feel hard. It's just that in the inside, just know that it would be nice and comfy. Next one, these are the black and white square ones. I actually love the way it fits because it's fitted and it's not too baggy or too loose at the bottom. With my skinny legs, if you're self-conscious like I am, these would be great. And it has a little belt that you can tie. It is a good right on the waist, so it is really pretty. And if you have somewhat of a tummy like I do, it is quite forgiving because of the pattern that's going on. It'll actually make you look a little bit slimmer than what you really are. So yeah, I really like this one. It feels really comfortable, it doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel that you'll sweat in it, but it's really nice. So this one I would give a 9 out of 10. And then I got these high-waisted pants as well. I love this pants because of the buttons in the front. It gives it some kind of little pizzazz. It is a little wide leg as well, so let's see what this looks like too. So lastly are these high-waisted pants. They're very wide at the bottom. They're that silky, they're nice. I love that it has the buttons here, so if you tuck in, you have something nice to display. You know, it shows something really cool. The buttons are gold. So other than that, it's very good. It's form-fitting. I like it. Don't know how much I like because it's not forgiving in the tummy area, but it is cute. So, and they are comfortable. I'd say a 7 out of 10 for me due to my body shape. Another thing I picked up at Amazon that I wanted to show you really fast was my little Flawless fridge. It's the makeup skincare fridge. It did come with all these little stickers that I went ahead and put on. I really love it because it's sleek, it's small, it fits right in the corner, it's white, and it has like this rose gold on here. Let me just move some stuff so I can open it for you. And in the inside, my sheet and face mask fit here in this little compartment. Over here it has a shelf, and then you're able to stick in all your skincare in the back. Some of your mask and oils that you may have, you can stick it in. It gets really cold. The good thing about this one as well, it gets hot as well. You can heat up things in it, so it doesn't only get cold. Got this at Amazon for a really good price, and I absolutely love it. One more thing before I close out the video is another thing that I bought off of Amazon is this 3-piece headbands. They are velvet with these really pretty pearls. They look amazing, and they have like a little cushion here, so when you put them on behind your ears, they don't hurt you like some of them do. Look at how pretty. They have the little knot here at the top, and they're really pretty. This I think was probably like $15. I'll go ahead and link them below, but they're comfortable. They're not too tight behind the ears or anything, so they're a good little fashion statement or piece if you like. So guys, that is it for my Amazon video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. And if you haven't, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Bye, and see you guys next time.